Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, we'll be talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty and a few swing stocks which can look ahead for the next week, right? So let's get started. Nifty has a very simple analysis in the 30 minutes time frame, which is for me is this new channel pattern, right? Because we broke out a big channel pattern since last few months, which it has been following. Now, following this channel pattern, I feel that if we want to go short, I would prefer going short below this trend line, which is also sort of a triangle pattern, right? So if we are shorting below this, and our stop loss should be above this swing, which should be around 100 points, not more than 100 points, and a target should be up till here, which is around at 350 points. This is for obviously a hedger which you need to take. Otherwise, if you're trying to do a naked future, you can definitely do that as well. Okay, so for a hedger, this trade would be pretty good on the short side. But if it is opening on the gap up side, which SGX Nifty right now is indicating at 17,925, and previously Nifty closed at 17,820 near about levels. So I'm expecting that if it opens up gap up till here, we might not straight away go ahead. I feel that it can come back a little bit and we can definitely go long at this level. Our stop loss should not be more than below this trend line, which should be around 110 points, and our target should be in this resistance line, which is around at 360 points, right? So this seems a pretty good trade for hedger on the long side, and the short side the same way. Now obviously, if Nifty is going on the bullish side or on the short side, we need to look at Bank Nifty also, because Bank Nifty support is required for either side of the trade. So Bank Nifty so far is looking good. Just make sure that if you're taking a long trade in here, Bank Nifty is not struggling near the resistance, because if you're opening gap up in Nifty, I feel that Bank Nifty will also open the same way. So as long as Bank Nifty is continuing its uptrend, it is fine. You can take the trade in here as well. Otherwise, take your long trade near this support line, and keep a small stop loss of not more than 100 to 200 points, and your target should be around 400 to 500 points. Again, this is for a hedger who can go long or short by taking a hedge position. The same way, short position, if it is breaking down, you go ahead and short. Your first targets should be up till 800 points is what I believe, which you can achieve along with Nifty if it is breaking down. So that's all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. If this is also breaking out for Bank Nifty, which I feel it is unlikely to happen, but if it does happen, just look at Nifty and accordingly take your positions. And as you can see, SGX is already at 17,925. So SGX has a resistance up till 18,200. So we can expect the same targets until and unless it doesn't break down below, right? So that's all for Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. And now coming back to a few swing stocks. Remember that if Nifty is positive, you can definitely get into these stocks. The first stock is Aptus Value Housing Finance. The reason is very simple. A very good pin bar candle of 5th January and a good breakout on 6th. A retraced price, and this is a good way to get into the stock. And a stop loss is not more than 4 to 5%. I would keep below this trend line, which is 5% stop loss, and my first target would be its all-time highs up till 7%. But if you want to book your profits, it would be too quick there. This stock is also fundamentally good with its numbers, so I would suggest you to basically leave your profits as invested shares after checking upon your own analysis on the fundamental part and also the technical part as well. Coming back to the next stock, which is GTPL Hathaway. So if you look at the stock again, not such a big strong breakout, but again the price is trying to consolidate in this part. So I feel that this could be a good stock, which is obviously very less in risk at 3.21%. Your target is somewhere around 7.5% at first, and then you can further on trade to the all-time highs of 15%. The next stock is Rain Industries. Again, a beautiful pattern in here, which I found out, and the breakout is good. The price is sustaining above. The first target would be easily 5%, and then the next target all-time highs of till 12 to 11%. Stop loss should not be more than 5%. So the risk to reward is mostly 1:2 until up till 1:3, right? The final stock being UPL Limited. This is again a very beautiful pattern, a channel pattern and also a triangle pattern inside the channel bigger pattern. Now the breakout is good, the strong closing as well. It shows that we can achieve good targets in the future up till 6%, then up till all-time highs of 10% near about. Stop loss not more than 4% is what I would say. So yep, that's all for the stocks, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do like this video and let me know down your comment questions in the comment section below. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and happy trading, you all.